Hi everyone, I'm Saloni. I have secured rank 70 in the Civil Services examination of 2020 and I graduated in 2019 with a bachelor's in English literature from Hindu College which is in DU. And इतने सारे लोग मेरे पहले actually बहुत कुछ कह चुके हैं तो I don't have too much to say, but a few things which I would like to share are firstly my timetable. In the sense, a lot of people ask motivation कैसे रखें और कैसे continue करें. For me, my timetable was my source of discipline. So more than motivation, it was more like रोज़ पढ़ना है और 5 से 6 घंटे minimum पढ़ना है. So that was the way I kept myself going. And very specifically, I made my timetable on Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, whichever you prefer. And मैं क्या करती थी? I would, for example, if I have to give a test on the 10th of July, then 2nd to 9th of July, I will write down I have to study 6 hours every day for that test. And let's say on the 3rd of July, I could not do what I had to do. Then I would fill the cell of 3rd of July in red on Google Sheets or Excel. So essay red and green were my two colors mostly. And I would also write the reason why I'm not studying on the days it would be filled with red. I know this might sound childish to some, but by the end of the month, by the end of 2 months, I had a very let's say graphic representation of मैं कब पढ़ रही हूँ, कब नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ, कितना invest कर रही हूँ, कितना नहीं कर रही हूँ. So that really helped me just reorient myself every time I felt I'm going astray. The second thing I would like to talk about is just friends, because जब मैंने भी पढ़ाई शुरू की थी तो बहुत सुना था कि खुद को एकदम isolate कर देना है और एक कमरे में बंद रहना है. But I think my friends were very crucial in my success. I'm a literature graduate. One of the subjects which really scared me was the economy, and I was so fortunate that one of my friends he was one of our toppers in college in economics, and उन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाया जिसकी वजह से जो भी मुझे थोड़ा बहुत समझ आता है, really owe it to him. Same for my optional, which was PSR. So I would say that there is no hard and fast rule कि आपको अपने दोस्त वगैरह या अपना जो support system है वो छोड़ देना है. They can actually be quite helpful as well. The third thing I would just like to touch upon is the personality test. Of course, Apala has done that wonderfully, and I don't have any extra tips to give here. But मैं अपना एक experience share करूँगी in the sense that as a humanities graduate, in all the mocks that I had done, no mock even touched upon science and technology, and that's fair because I don't have a background in that. But my actual interview was 40 to 50% science and tech based. I was quite stumped कि ये क्या हो रहा है. Has the honorable board mistaken myself also to be an engineer, because I'm not. So I would just say that like each and every stage, even the personality test can be really unpredictable no matter how much you prepare. The key is just to be confident and calm as much as possible. And lastly, I would just say that when I was preparing ये जो toppers talks थी मैं भी देखती थी, and it just seems like इतना smooth था. They did everything so perfectly. They were so disciplined. But trust me, there are many days in which all of us, I'm sure over here, I can speak for myself. There are ups and downs, and days when you don't study, days on which you're indisciplined, days on which nothing works out. So as smooth and as organized as all of this sounds, that's only half the picture. So just have faith in your process, have faith in your journey, stay confident, stay calm. All the very best. Thank you so much.